Alright, so I've got another Swiss Army knockoff for you. This one I got in Boston, apparently. I don't really remember. Or, I vaguely remember, but, sorry, the camera is reversed. Just for fun. Come on, focus. Well, this thing says Boston on it, even though it's not focusing. Okay, so like the other Swiss Army knockoff, I had. Alright, the last one I did. I wonder if I can do it during a video. Alright. Okay, so I'm back to my old self. And, oh, anyway, like the other Swiss Army knockoff, the tweezers and the toothpick don't really fit well into the slots where they're supposed to go. So anyway, here's toothpick. This thing is bothering me. Here are the tweezers. Okay, so scissors. I think this is probably the most common Swiss Army design knockoff, the mini classic. Okay, the blade says stainless china. You know, it's basically, it's basically the same knife you just saw in my last video. And the file. Alright, so that's that.